yeah, so we got the 6.4 engine, transmission, wiring harness, everything needed from a 2019, I said 20, a 2019 Scat Pack with very low miles, guys, very low. I want to say it was under 5K miles. I don't really remember the mileage, but everything out the door, it was around 10,800. That's parts, labor, you know, everything. And the guys at Allpar, they did a fantastic job. It took them, I think, not even a month. I want to say it was like a few weeks. And they were always keeping me updated, you know. It did take a while for them to get some of the parts, you know, because we got parts from MMX. We got parts from, I don't remember where. My bad. But they took my 5.7 out and took a picture of it. I actually posted it and show you guys. And they just, you know, they kept me involved. Like, I felt like I was doing it myself with the pictures they were sending me. I wish they would have done a video. That would have been awesome. But I mean, they're very busy. They build race cars, you know. They were building a baby when they were building Betty, so they just basically, you know, put her on the operating table and was just like, hey, come alive. And I mean, she's awake. But her name is going to change. I don't know what the new owner has planned for her. I do know this, guys. He wants to make Betty into a show car. She would no longer be, you know, a drag car. I mean, he said he'll probably take her to the drag strip, you know, when he gets, you know, when he gets used to her and learns how to drive her and everything else like that. He's coming from an RT, and he's going straight into an RT, except for it's 392 swapped. So I mean, he was doing it. He had the same mindset that I did, you know, as a young man. He was like, hey, I want a 392, but I don't want 392 insurance. I don't want a 392 payment. But yeah, I do wish I would have kept Betty in the family. You know, I did think one day that I was gonna, you know, give this car to my daughter, or, you know, my other daughter. I don't have a son, but I feel like my daughter, she loves this car, guys. She loves when it starts. She loves when I rev it. She loves riding in it. Every time I'm walking out of the door, she'll dad, and I'm like, we're not going for a drive. And I end up taking her for around the block, and she's just back there giggling and everything. So I mean, I'm gonna miss this car. That pretty much sums up this video, guys. I mean, you can like, comment, and please subscribe. You know, hit that share button. There will be more content coming, guys. There will be more content coming.
If I was up today, running around, I'm feeling away from everybody know my name. Doing shows in different states, living no complaints.